We good? All right. Hey, just hit the shelf here today, White Rose Hobbies in York, Pennsylvania, the Traxxas / late model. These are going to be available this Friday, June 20th for sale. They are $419.95. Stop in, check one out. We're going to open this one up and see what's in the box. These are on an LCG chassis with a BL2 brushless system. This / late model comes with a TQ transmitter that comes with pretty standard on all of the RPRs from Traxxas. Here's the books that nobody reads. I know that nobody reads these because I work at a hobby shop and people ask me questions that would be easily answered in this. It's fine. I'm happy to help you. Some racing decals, numbers to make your car your own, fit your racing program.
What number would you pick?
69. This has a clipless body, just like the / modified. They added a nice little clip here. I know a lot of the guys racing the modifieds on our track would knock the bodies off. Hopefully this little additive will help keep it in the front bumper and help you guys make it through your heat and qualify good for the final. Like I said, LCG chassis. This has a GTR shocks. Traxxas did upgrade the foams in these. This is a dual stage foam. The old Traxxas part number is going away. I don't know offhand exactly what that is. Maybe Rachel can put that at the bottom when she edits this. But yeah, dual stage foam, BL2, 2S. We're going to be running these here on our track as our own class, the stock class. If we don't have enough, we'll put these together with the modifieds. But yeah, it's your first look at the / late model from Traxxas. Available this Friday in store. You can pre-order one at whiterosehobbies.com, $419.95. Hope to see you soon in store. Thanks.